This default setting is holding back subscribers, monetization, and business. Most new and growing YouTubers would appear to be unaware of a default setting that is slowing their efforts at attaining subscribers, monetizing their channel, and gaining commercial business. And what is most surprising is that no one seems to be really discussing it, even though YouTube has specifically made it an acceptable means to acquire subscribers once you have switched off this default setting. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll take you through how this works to increase subscribers, why it's legitimate from YouTube's standpoint, and how to change the default setting to allow you to take advantage of this YouTube-created opportunity. To understand how this works, and that this is a legitimate means to obtain subscribers, which will advance monetization and commercial business, you will want to log into your YouTube Studio account. Once you have logged into your own account on YouTube Studio, you want to be on the dashboard and proceed to navigate downwards to the card titled Recent Subscribers. At the bottom of the Recent Subscribers card, there is a button to See All. This will open a pop-up of those subscribers who have made their identity visible to yourself. Once you are on the subscribers pop-up, you will be provided with a list of subscribers, which is set for the last 90 days, although by going to the top right corner of the pop-up, you can set the time frame and attain all visible subscribers for the lifetime of your YouTube channel. The issue is that in my estimation, less than 5% of subscribers are actually visible subscribers because they haven't changed their default setting, such that they aren't visible to their fellow YouTubers on YouTube Studio. And this includes most YouTubers that are looking to obtain subscribers, monetize their channel, and obtain commercial business. This is absolutely crazy when you think about it, as I personally thought that anyone who is trying to develop a YouTube following would want to be visible to other YouTubers who are also looking to increase the number of subscribers to their own channel. However, this is clearly not the case. Instead, I was surprised to find very few subscribers to my own channels, probably less than 2%, who are seeking out subscribers themselves, as you can tell from looking at their own subscriber count, as well as going to their personal YouTube page, which is accessible by clicking on the box with the arrow going upward right beside the subscriber's name. This is shocking given that you would think that anyone that wants subscribers would want to subscribe to a channel that is also building up their own subscriber base, since they might have hit upon the opportunity to attain a reciprocating subscription through a legitimate means that was specifically created by YouTube. And this is very much a legitimate means to gain subscribers, since the pop-up actually makes it possible to reciprocate and subscribe to each of these subscribers sight unseen, even though most of these subscribers would not even appear to be seeking out subscribers based on a brief review of their own YouTube page. As such, I've actually taken to looking at my subscribers' YouTube pages and identifying who might actually benefit from my subscribing to their channel, as opposed to having simply turned off the default setting. I also have taken to watching their videos, liking and commenting on them, as well as further communicating and expressing my gratitude, given that they actually chose to subscribe to my own YouTube channel. This isn't necessary, nevertheless, as I do it in my downtime when I'm typically looking to get away from the strenuous legal work that I am doing for the better part of the day, I find it to be a welcome reprieve, and I always appreciate learning something new. Now, how exactly do you see if the default setting is making you invisible to other YouTube creators, and how do you switch off the default setting to make you visible to other YouTube creators, such that you might potentially gain their reciprocal subscription? To access the default setting, you need to log into YouTube on your computer. Now, once you are logged in, you will need to navigate to the top right of the web page and click on your profile picture. Upon clicking on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear, and near the end will be settings that you will need to click on. This will open up the account page, which in the left menu will have a number of setting options, with the one to select being privacy. On the privacy setting, you'll want to go to the first option, which is subscriptions, and here you'll want to turn off the setting, keep all my subscriptions private, to allow you to be visible when subscribing. In most cases, the default setting was on, and you are keeping your subscriptions private, such that your fellow YouTubers were unaware of your subscriptions to their channel and were unable to provide a reciprocal subscription. By making your subscriptions visible, you will have the opportunity for your fellow YouTubers who are in the know to not only subscribe to your channel, but also view, like, and comment on your videos, as well as communicate with yourself if this is desired and made possible. So by turning off this default setting, you will increase the prospect for attaining subscribers, increasing views and likes, monetizing your channel, and gaining commercial business. In turn, we wish to thank everyone that views, likes, and comments on our videos, as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel, and wish you all the best in our mutual endeavor to expand our presence and contribution through YouTube. Thank you.